Assalamu alaikum students. This is your English class. Yesterday we started unit number 4 of your grammar club and we completed exercises up till C. Now today we have to resume our lesson and we have to start next exercise, which is part D. So you need to open your books at page 30. Here we will learn how to make questions in passives. Passives means that you have to use to be as was and were and past participle at the place of verb. So you need to make the formation of questions in the form of passives. Look at, to make a question, we put the subject between the verb to be and the past participle. First of all, if there is a question word, for example, where, when, or what, then we use helping verb was or were, then subject, and then past participle. Understand? Now come to the exercise D. Here words are given. You have to read the answers, then use the words to write questions. The first one is where this car made. Answer given is it was made in Japan. So you have to make the question like that. First of all, question verb. Then you have to use helping verb. Then subject and then past participle. Okay. Now you have to make the question like this. Where was this car made? Understand? Number 2. When these cakes bake. When is a question verb. These cakes are subjects here and bake is verb. So you have to make the question like this. When were these cakes baked? Understand? Now using the same pattern, you continue the exercise and do the remaining part. Part 3 is when the parcel post. The question which you will make is when was the parcel posted? When was the parcel posted? Number 4. Where this umbrella lived. Where was this umbrella left? Past participle. Number 5. When our school built. When was our school built? Number 6. When these photos take. When were these photos taken? Where this photo take? Where was this photo taken? When this picture paint? When was this picture painted? Understand? Now come to the next one, use of by. Sometimes in passive sentences, we want to say who or what performed the action or who is the doer of the action, which that we are talking about. To do this, we use by before the person who is the doer of the action. Look at the active sentence. A branch damaged 2 cars. So when you make the passive, you have to make the formation. 2 cars were damaged by a branch. So branch here is the doer or performer of the action. Active. Tina wrote this poem. This poem was written by Tina. Now using the same pattern, you change active into passive using by. Number 1, Andy painted this picture. Andy painted this picture. This picture was painted by Andy. Fire damaged 2 houses. 2 houses were damaged by the fire. Maria mended our computer. Our computer was mended by Maria. Auntie Rita baked this cake. This cake was baked by Auntie Rita. Next one is write passive sentences about the famous people using by. Now the famous people here are Christopher Columbus, Alexander Graham Bell, and Leonardo da Vinci. So you have to make the passives using the information given in active sentences. Christopher Columbus discovered America. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. The telephone was invented by Graham Bell. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo Vinci. Now come to the next exercise, page number 32. This is a review exercise, A part. Verbs are given and you have to use the past participle with to be. Helping verbs was and were and past participle, and then underline those verbs. This cake was baked on Sunday. The verb given is bake, so you have to use the past participle, that is baked. This carpet was cleaned last week. The computer was damaged when I dropped it. Some keys were found in the playground. Some keys were found in the playground yesterday. Some money was stolen from the bank last night. Past participle of steal is stolen. Yes. The street was flooded during the storm. Understand? Now come to the next exercise. Now here you have to write down who were these books written by. The book and their authors are given in the boxes, and you have to make sentences, passive sentences, by joining the sentence who wrote these books. Right sentences: was written by. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was written by J.K. Rowling. The Lord of the Rings was written by J.R.R. Tolkien. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe was written by C.S. Lewis. Charlotte's Web was written by E.B. White. Now this way you can make passive sentences giving information about the authors and their books. Understand? Now up till now you have completed all the exercises of unit number 4, including review exercise A, B, and C. So you need to prepare yourself for the test next time, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.